You have so much to accomplish and you don't have enough time. Today, I'm taking you on my step-by-step process on planning an efficient week so that nothing falls through the cracks. Buenísimo. Last week, my main focus was self-care, taking my vitamins in the morning, trying to keep up with water intake, just homeschooling overall. One of the things that didn't work is that I didn't account for last week being my little phase. That is when your body and energy just can't keep up. One thing that I'm going to change for next month, delegate tasks a little bit more, or just set myself a max of 3 tasks or see what I didn't accomplish this month and fix it for the next month. Because I know this is a thing that happens every single month, but now I'm going to be more mindful about it. I'm going to plan accordingly. My top 3 things for this week are going to be family time, work goals, and self-care routine. I am slowly adding more things onto my self-care routine. So far, as I already said, it was vitamins, garlic, sea moss, all those things, trying to eat better. This week, I'm gonna focus on including a couple workouts a week. It could be walking, it can be jump roping around the house, it can be walking up and down steps, but I'm gonna be intentionally active for 20 minutes. My husband gifted me a Skylights calendar for Christmas. And at first, I'm like, dude, this is too much for me, but it has become one of my favorite tools for keeping organized. That is where I have my daily, weekly, monthly tasks and chores, as well as where I put my grocery list, even meal planning. And for content creation, I have Notion calendar. If you guys are not familiar with that, you can make different folders, different calendars, all within the app. I love to schedule tasks, and what I did the whole entire month of January is that I wrote down every single thing that I'm doing every day. For example, if I wake up, I'm taking vitamins, I'm taking the garlic, I'm drinking water, all of those small habits that I'm incorporating into my day, I write them down. And even doing laundry, I'm writing it down. I'm putting it away, I'm writing it down. All the things that I write down on my to-do list, I aim to finish before I go to sleep. Pretty much like I'm not clocking out of work until those are completed. Do they get completed every single day? No, but the plan and the goal is for them to all be completed, and the end goal is going to be that my house is going to be a lot cleaner if I miss one day than if I wasn't cleaning the whole entire week. So slowly I have figured out what days I need to wash. Pretty much all of January, let's say I washed our clothes on a Thursday. That means every Thursday it's going to be our clothes. Every Monday is going to be the girls' clothes. Obviously, there's going to be times that we're going to need to wash more frequently, let's say 2 times a week, and that's okay. But at least I'm planning, I'm scheduling a task of laundry on Monday with grocery pickup, meal planning on Sunday. And a really cool thing that I like to do is combine my tasks that are, kind of aligned together. For example, when I'm planning my meals for the week, at the same time, I'm writing my shopping list that I need. If I'm picking up, then at the same time, I'm adding it to my cart. That way I can have my meals for the week. I have my shopping list pretty much checked out, and I'm gonna pick up on Monday. So you can find your own routine and what works for you, because maybe Sunday's not the day for you. Maybe for you is Monday. So the days are not fixed. Certain people like to do laundry all in one day. I can't do that. I feel like it's a never-ending task, and I'm gonna be doing laundry the whole entire day. Now I've set my mind that I'm gonna wash, dry, and put away on the same day. It's the best thing that I've ever done. It shouldn't be that hard. We're doing it every single week. It should only be a 1-day task. You're gonna do what works for your family. My goal is to get more steps in. If I'm editing a video, I'm gonna be walking on my walking pad. That way I can combine 2 of my goals, which is getting work done and also getting my steps in, being active. If I am responding to emails, I'm responding to DMs at the same time, comments, and everything all at once early in the morning. I used to overplan so much, and all I was doing to myself was setting myself up for failure. It is so important to know how long a task is going to take you. You can always think back and say, hey, how long does cleaning the kitchen take? How long does folding laundry take? And play it by memory of what those tasks usually take, and then plan accordingly. Because if you don't give yourself enough time, it will only discourage you from completing it. because you already know that you have so much to accomplish and you don't have enough time. If you feel like you're planning your day and you're not completing 5 out of the 10 tasks, then that means you're over planning and you need to cut back, distribute them throughout the week, or delegate them to family members. Delegating tasks is so important. I have my 3-year-old twins and even my 1-year-old. I make sure that they're helping put their toys away as much as possible. If they're reading a book, I like to remind them, hey, put the book away. If we finish breakfast, hey, put your plate, put your fork in the sink. You're doing this routine with your kids to where it's gonna help you in the long run, because you're not gonna be the only one cleaning. My husband in the morning, he helps me, he doesn't help me. He makes the bed for us. He cooks breakfast for us, let's say 5 times out of 7, or maybe the whole entire week. And that's just what works for us. So you can figure out what works for you and your family, where it is that you need help, or what task would be nice for somebody else to do for you. Planning your week doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to work for you. Let me know in the comments how you plan your week. I'd love to hear it. Thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what kind of videos you want to see from me. Bye. See you in the next one.